50-50. As we just get kicked in the head or punch it. Remember, we're using a lot of punches to get control. You start with the hands, spin it with the legs. You start with the legs, spin it with the hands. Beautiful. Beautiful. Over you. Beautiful. Over you. Come on now, Michael. Michael, you jumping too much back. Relax. More easy. Too fast, Michael. It's fluidity. Slow motion. Slow motion. Move around, Michael. You're in the same place. Thinking too much. Move around like a hand right now. Round yourself a little lower. There. Come on now, Jesse. Attack more. I don't see you in action, brother. Lying up here, lying down here. Beautiful. Blow all down. Attack! Oh, beautiful trick that he did to you. Come on now. Beautiful block. Again. Attack that shoulder. Exactly. Also move. Come on, Kenny. Keep it moving your legs. Michael, attack again. Roll forward. Try to get him right there. Jesse, roll forward and get it. You longer than him. Lying up here, lying down here. Keep it right there. Lying up here, lying down here. Lying up here. Also move. Also move. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's still right.